Follow along with this video to perform myofascial release using a foam roller on your back. This is a great exercise for relaxing and releasing tension in your erector spinae as well as your trapezius, rhomboids, and lats muscles. Begin seated on the floor with your face up and your knees bent. Position the foam roller behind you, going up and down perpendicular to your hips. Now use your hands and your legs to push your body up and over the foam roller to lay down on one side. Begin with the foam roller lying horizontal to your spine on the right side. Extend your right arm and use your bent left leg and arm to rock your body towards the right until you bring the foam roller underneath your shoulder, and then return back to your starting position. Perform between 5 and 10 repetitions on this side before switching to the other side. And go to the other side. Bring the foam roller underneath your back, horizontal to your spine on the left side. Bend your right knee and extend your left arm. Now roll your body over to the left until the foam roller comes underneath your shoulder, and then return back to the starting position. Continue for between 5 and 10 repetitions.